Hi, myself, I am from Rosman. I'm here to explain about the project I have done in this Generative AI with data science. My father used to hold a business of transportation business. I have done. They have to a problem of the manual entry of the logistic using Python and creative application as interface. This is the program I developed using Python. The information has to be input on depart high letter to calculate the balance for line minus advance rupees to pay balance. This is the another code that I have done. Cross weight is 20,000 kgs. The vehicle has to be stopped. If it is less than 20,000 kgs, it can be proceeded. These are the inputs and processing and the output. Inputs vehicle weighted height amount, processing balance and calculation plus weight check. Output highlighter will be displayed on the screen using gradient. Calculates explanation of the system of using. Calculate balance amount automatically. Check payment status. Validates door safety based on bits. Generates clean highlighter. This is the sample output. Vehicle have to enter in vehicle number, driver number of the place to be escorted. Balance remain balance. This is the code I have done. You have to manually enter in this system. This will be the house. Take it.